onto that. What do you think?
There are different boxes so you can put dots in them to make it easier for you to do math.
And how many? When you look at this picture, what do you know right away? What do you know?
It's called a 10 frame.
Just a second. What do you know?
It's a 10 frame, and then there's dots in there, so you know how many there are.
How many dots are there?
5.
But how did you know it was 5? Because you just told me it was a 10 frame. Think about that. You told me it was a 10 frame, but then you told me you knew it was 5. How did you know? Turn and talk to somebody next to you and tell them how you know that. Buddy, just make a group of 3, all right? Just make a group of 3. And I need you back here in 3, 2, and 1. Who can tell me what they know about this? What did you guys talk about in your group? They're in a row, so we know there's 5. Who can add on to that? They're in a row, so we know there's 5. What do you think?
Since there's 2 rows of 5, so...
Stop right there. He said something really important. Who can repeat what he just said? What did he just say? What did he say?
2 rows of 5.
Are there 2 groups of 5 in here? Would there be 5 on this side?
Yes.
Is there 5 on this side?
Yes.
Did we have to count them?
No.
So how many are over here?
5.
There's just 5, right? All right, let's try another one. Are you ready? So excited for the next one. All right, here we go. You might use what we just talked about to help you in this one, all right? Are we ready?
Yes.
Here we go. All right, let's look at it again. Here we go. Ready? And one last look. Here we go. Just 1 second, I want to talk to your teacher and then we'll come back. One of the big things you're looking for in quick images is how many people are using the frames and how many people are still counting. So that you really, as you flash, the thing you're really looking around for is who's still doing that, especially with this lesson because it's really specific to the frames. Yep. So you're going to look around and say, and again, it's not bad that they're counting, it just says that they haven't transitioned
Yet.
Yep. So that's our goal. So we
Okay.
just kind of know that.
Okay.
All right, on the count of 3, you're going to whisper how many you saw. 1, 2, 3. 4. For most everybody. I'm going to look at it again. And we're not going to count it this time, because I want you to tell me how you knew it was 4 without counting it. How did you know it was 4 without having to count it? Right back there. Yep. Yep, you.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Does 2 plus 2 equal 4?
Yes.
It does. Who had another way to look at this one? Who had another way to look at this one? In the clear back.
From the last one, it was 5, and we just took away the 9.
Stop right there. I need someone to repeat what he just said. Who can repeat what he just said? Is there anyone I haven't called on yet? What did he just say? Oh, how many are here?
5.
Is that whole side filled?
Yeah.
And we already saw this one, right?
Yeah.
And when he looked at this one, he said, I remember that we had 5 before, but how many are missing? 1. I want you to think. Sometimes, stop for just a second. Sometimes I use 4 images. Today I'm just going to use 2, and I'm going to close with one other piece so that way you guys can get moving.
Okay.
If I wrote a number sentence to say what he just told me, what would that be? So as an example, I'm going to go to our first person who said that they saw 2 and 2 make 4. So a number sentence for that would be 2 plus 2 is the same value as or equals 4. So I want a number sentence to represent what you just told us. So when he looked at this picture, he said, from the last one I knew we had 5. And then I took 1 away, so now I know that we have 4. So what's a number sentence that we could write that would match that? A number sentence could match that. All right, in the back, what do you think?
Me?
Yep.
5 minus 1.
Can I have somebody add on to that and finish it so that I have a full number sentence? Who can add on to that? In the back. Yep.
Equals 4.
So what I'm going to have you do is it's time for lunch. So I got to let you go. But when you come back from lunch, I want you to decide as you come back if you agree with that. Do you think they got that right?
Yeah.
Well, after lunch, we'll talk about that really quick. All right?